experimented on how to breathe through the harmonica, playing chords with your tongue off the harmonica. We're now going to learn how to play single notes. In other words, how to play a single note melody. That's achieved by placing your lips over 4 holes. Ah, that yawn we talked about before. So open mouth, insert harmonica. You're going to place your lips over 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, making sure you use a little bit of tilt. I'm going to hold it just with one hand so you can see better. And I'm going to take the top of my tongue just past the tip. So just past the tip. And I'm going to put my tongue on the face of the harmonica, add a little bit of an angle to the left. Think of 11 o'clock as your angle. So the top of the tongue, just past the tip called the blade, a little bit to the left, and I'm going to block holes 1, 2, and 3 so that hole 4 sounds, 4 blow in this case. It's important that you use a light touch. Don't squish the tongue on the face of the harmonica. That's why we're using the top of the tongue, which is wider than the tip. So as I play, that's the single note 4 blow. 1, 2, 3, 4 blow. I have a wonderful tool made by Joe Flisco called the TBT, the Tongue Block Trainer, so you can see what this looks like. Now you're going to draw holes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure the middle and the back of the tongue are down. Use a mirror to confirm that that's the case. Now you're going to slowly bring your tongue on holes 1, 2, and 3. Again. If you look at the Tongue Block Trainer, it'll look exactly the same. Again, I'm using a light touch. If it starts to sound like this, and the note is actually bending, because you are bending. It's the middle and the back of the tongue raising too high. So always keep that yawn as your tongue blocking. Back here I still have this nice pocket. If it's raised, it'll create that constricted sound, and that's what will bend the harmonica. Now that we've got the single note, let's actually try to move up and down the harmonica. If I play the 4 blow, after a while of doing this, you're going to get an idea of where the tongue, the angle of the tongue, and how much of the top of the tongue, in other words, the angle of attack, needs to be to just play a single note. Maybe you need to start with the chord, then go to a single note. Then try just inhaling. Because your embouchure, your mouth and your lips, are already set in the tongue. All right, now let's move to 5 blow. Let's play 4 blow and slide to 5 blow. And in this case, the harmonica is going to slide like a carriage in front of our face. Now, if you get a little bit of sound out here on the left side, it means your mouth was too wide to begin with. You need to pucker up just a little bit. And let's do the same thing for the draw. I'm assuming there's a little bit of spit. I'm going to tap it out. Whatever way you need to access that 4 draw, either by slowly bringing your tongue in or just starting with it there, go ahead and do that. And then slide to 5 draw. Let's go ahead and now practice doing 4 blow, 4 draw, move over, 5 blow, 5 draw, move over, 6 blow, and then we're going to move back down. If you look at your PDF printout, this is now example 1, single notes. So let's find that 4 blow. Again, if you need to start with the tongue off the harmonica, that's fine. Here we go. Let's play 1 note per snap of my finger. 4 blow. 4 plus is 4 blow, 4 is 4 draw, 5 plus is 5 blow, 5 is 5 draw, 6 plus is 6 blow, move back down to 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, and the 2 dots at the end of that line mean to go back to the beginning and repeat. And you're going to go up and down playing those notes and develop the skill set to be able to play single notes. At first, it's going to sound like this. It's not going to sound very musical, but of course, for all instruments, all wind instruments, whether you're talking trumpet or clarinet or sax, the first couple weeks sound pretty rough, and that's just a normal thing. Harmonica is the same way, so expect to be able to make example one sound pretty good. It's going to easily take you a couple weeks, but the fun thing is you can be doing melodies along with your training. Take a look at Tongue Blocking Study 1.5. In Tongue Block Study 1.5, I provide some simple folk tunes on the harmonica that you can move around the instrument and learn how to play those single notes, playing melodies that you're familiar with.